If you're looking for a new way to generate leads, then this video is specific for you because I'm going to show you how to use carousel ads to get and generate leads that would have people pounding at your door. What's up guys, it's Adrian from Artlet, where we work with artists, entrepreneurs, and brands to help them get more exposure and monetize their passion. So part one, I'm going to show you why someone would create a carousel ad and also how I've outlined it myself for clients to help them generate leads. So in part two, I'm going to take you through a step-by-step process of how to build a carousel ad using Canva. Canva is gold. Trust me, even if you don't have time to create a carousel ad yourself, you can get a VA or have someone you trust build a carousel ad out for you just by watching this video. So definitely watch this all the way through because I'll take you step by step from start to finish on how to build and create a carousel ad. As a side note, I actually ran this myself for a client and generated over 100 leads for less than $100. So get ready and be ready to get this kind of results with carousel ads. By the way, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and leave a comment. So why would you even want to create a carousel ad? Well, there's many reasons. Carousel ads grabs attention, they create curiosity, and they're also new. You don't really see people creating carousel ads like this. So there's some questions that you need to answer before going into creating a carousel ads, and they are: one, who is your target audience? So number two, what problem is this target market facing? So number three is, what is the solution for that problem? Only focus on one problem and one solution. And number four is, what is the next steps? Once someone get to the end of the carousel ad, what is the next step going to be? What actions are you going to have them take? Are you going to have them subscribe to your email list? Are you going to have them book a call with you? You need to know this before creating the carousel ad. Cool. So now that you have the answer to these questions, I'm going to show you how I laid it out so you can just copy this format and start building your carousel ad right away. Remember those questions that I had you answer just a few minutes ago? This is where it becomes relevant. So my market, I'm gonna go after real estate agents. Now that I have these, I can go in and start filling out everything because I know who I'm talking to. So the headline I used is, why the everyday realtor won't make it. Right, so I'm calling out real estate agents. First slide is headline, last slide is call to action, and this was question number 4 that I said that you need to answer, which is where do you take the person to next after they read all the slides. This is the flow and the outline that I use. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go over into Canva and show you how to build this out. To save time, I already have all my images selected and built out for me. I have all my images here on the left, which are what I'm going to use to build this. For you, I'm going to show you how to get images and get images with transparent backgrounds. There's a website with tons and tons of free stock photos. So the site I normally use is Unsplash. There we go. I usually use Unsplash or Pinterest. So Unsplash, whatever your market is, you can just go in here and type in what you're looking for. The background has to kind of distinguish yourself from the actual photo. So just download the image and save it. So on Pinterest, you could just type in whatever you're looking for, and then it will pop up some options. Say I just use this person in my photo. If you click on the photo, it'll give you a bunch of suggested photos underneath. So Pinterest is a really easy way to find photos that you can just grab and use. Once you have your photo, next you're gonna need to remove the background. So you could just go to Google and type remove background. And literally any of these would work, but what I use mostly is remove.bg. And that image that you downloaded before, you just drag and drop. And then the software removes the background for you. Now I'm going to start building out my carousel ad. So first thing first is you need to figure out your colors. You need to decide what colors you're gonna use. Me, I'm gonna use white and blue. So the first thing I'm gonna do is change the background to blue. And then I'm just gonna duplicate this 10 times. So now I have my 10 slides. And then I'm gonna start dragging and dropping the photos in the places that I want them to be in. And then I'm also going to add the text in the places that I want the text to be in. A lot of the times when you create ads like this, they won't work the first time. So stick around to the end of this video and I'll show you how to test and scale your carousel ads so you have the most impact. One of the most important things when it comes to building a carousel ad is how do you get this image to show up on this slide in the exact place. So this is how you do it. So you drag and drop the image where you want to be. You copy it and paste it. As you see, it's gonna be there. You have to line it up, line it up exactly. And then you trim it or crop it to the end. Then you cut it, go to the next slide, paste it. As you see, it's gonna be all the way on the right side where you had it pasted before, or where it was originally. So you have to drag it and drop it to the opposite side. So now, whenever someone swipes left, the image is gonna flow over. So that's how you do it, going from one slide to the next slide. And again, you just do this throughout the entire thing. So I'm gonna finish building this out. I have a key right here. So I have the key. I'll show you how to do it with the key. Okay, this is actually a really good example because sometimes it's gonna be hard to get it lined up. And it took me some time to figure out how to actually line it up perfectly. And this is a good example to show you how to do it. I'll just show you what I mean. So if I copy it, then paste it, again, I have to line it up perfectly and then trim it. And this is what happened if I cut and paste it over here. Right, so it's gonna be all the way on this side. If I try to move it over here, I might lose my positioning, so it might not be perfect. So there's two ways to do this. You can either do it the long way, which is hold it until it goes all the way over, or you can do this, which I found as a cheat. You can create a line using a shape, a rectangle, and just line it up with where you want it to be. Let's see, let me line it up with the top. So you see how it's lined up with they're lined up together? So what I do is I copy this line onto this page and then duplicate this, drag it over, copy it, paste it, and see now it's lined up, and now all I have to do is drag it over. So now it's perfectly aligned. So that's the trick that I came up with for getting everything perfectly aligned. So now I'm gonna just finish this up and drag and drop everything. Now with the text, I do every line individually because every line is a different size. So for my text, every line's a different size and color. So I have Y. I have all the text in this individual cell because it gives me the ability to freely customize and edit the text how I want it to be. All right, so this is the final product. This is how it came out after moving everything over. So if you found value from this, go ahead and drop a comment below, like the video, and subscribe to the channel. So most of the time you create an ad in this form, it might not work, which is why we use Canva, because by using Canva, you're able to go back in and change the headline. So you keep A/B testing the headline until you get the desired result that you want. So then you just go into Facebook Ads Manager and just swap the first slide, and that's gonna be your headline slide. And then you just keep A/B testing all the headlines to see which one performed the best. So if this is something you want for your company or your business or for a client of yours, send me a DM on Instagram and we'll talk about like setting one of these up for you.